I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Lexus ES 350 with the remote. First, make sure your vehicle is completely locked. This is a crucial safety step before initiating the remote start sequence. The remote start system operates within a certain range, so be sure you are close enough for the signal to reach your car. Once you're ready, locate the remote start button on your key fob. To activate the remote start, begin by pressing the lock button on your key fob once. Immediately after, press the lock button a second time and then press and hold it down. You should hold the button for about 3 seconds. You'll know it's working when the vehicle's engine starts and the hazard lights flash twice, confirming the command was received successfully. This sequence ensures the system recognizes your intent. Once your Lexus ES 350 is running remotely, you can approach the vehicle. Use your key fob to unlock the doors, or simply use the smart entry system if your vehicle is equipped. The engine will continue to run even after you open the door, maintaining the climate control settings. To take full control and drive, simply get in, press the brake pedal, and then push the engine start button. You are now ready to go. Remember, the remote start feature is designed to run for a limited time, usually around 10 minutes, before automatically shutting off to conserve fuel. It's also very important to never use remote start in an enclosed area, such as a garage, due to exhaust fumes. For more details and other helpful tips, check the description below for links to additional resources and other great deals. And for those who love to read, you'll find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite there too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.